it can be challenging to design systems that perform flawlessly in the most demanding applications. At Sunex, we call that engineered for reliability. Hello, I'm Ingo, Director of Business Development, and I'm excited to introduce you to the engineering and quality we apply at Sunex. All has only one goal: ensuring our lenses and modules excel in some of the most demanding industries and applications, such as automotive, humanoid robotics, and medical devices. Our commitment to design, precision manufacturing, and proven quality of optical systems aren't just talk, it's a reality that our customers rely on daily, making Sunex a trusted name worldwide. Sunex serves a wide range of markets, from automotive, robotics, and smart agriculture to medical, security, and ultra-high resolution immersive imaging. Our extensive expertise ensures we are ready to discuss your needs. Let me emphasize a couple of key points. First, our cross-industry experience benefits your projects by providing insights and solutions that few optics companies can match. Second, Sunex's unique optical technologies such as SuperFisheye and NoGhost deliver unparalleled performance. And last but not least, our state-of-the-art manufacturing capabilities scale with your demand from the first prototype to high-volume series production. Our large portfolio of M12 lenses, our custom lens design expertise, and our camera module capabilities allow us to support you across a wide range of requirements. From design to production, we offer strong collaboration and a seamless process that guarantees quality and precision. Let me close with the reasons our customers choose Sunex and stay with us. Number one, robust designs. Our engineering team applies DFM, DFR, and DFA principles that reduce your technical risk and lower the probability of costly design revisions later in the program. Number two, product quality. Over 25 years of manufacturing experience and a culture of continuous process improvement translate to the highest quality and on-time delivery. And number three, long-term partnership. We are the OEM, not the middleman. Our real work starts after the sale has closed, proving every day that we are committed to your long-term success. If you have a current project or just want to explore what's possible for your next optical system, we would be thrilled to have that conversation with you. Contact us now and let's talk about what we can build together. Thank you for your time.